Hi friends, today in this video, I will show you how to make your own 12 volt to 220 volt mini inverter using two pieces of Z44N MOSFETs with very few other components. First, trim the half pins of both MOSFETs. Now take a good size of aluminum heatsink. Use thermal paste for better heat dissipation. Use TO220 silicon pads for insulation from heatsink. This will act as barrier between heatsink and MOSFETs. Also use 3 mm screws with plastic bushing for insulation. Now using screwdriver, secure the both MOSFETs at its place. With tweezer, bend the pins of both MOSFETs like this. To avoid messing up components on pref board, I first designed the circuit diagram for this project, using TL494PWM IC, for generating the frequency to drive the MOSFETs. These two components are used to control the frequency and duty cycle from the IC. And through these resistors, signal is fed to the MOSFETs, which will drive transformer to convert DC to AC. And here 12-volt battery can be connected, and this LED indicator for power status. Then I converted the schematics into the PCB. For easy assembly, I ordered PCBs from JLC PCB. Get 1 to 8 layer PCBs for just $2. Efficient large-scale production reduces costs, and bringing you PCBs in unbeatable prices. And then I prepared the PCB for its components. So, let's place all the components into the PCB according to the circuit diagram. After soldering, now trim the excess pins of components. Then I cleaned the PCB with isopropyl. And now our PCB looks nice and clean. Before any further ado, let me tell you that you can also order the same PCB for this project, without messing up on pref board. Just go to the video description, and with this link sign up on JLC PCB website. JLC PCB provides easy, affordable, and reliable PCB and PCBA solutions, empowering electronic engineers to develop projects efficiently. Just upload your Gerber file here. To get instant quote and order in minutes, it is easy as online shopping. After uploading, you can see the preview of the PCB. You can also change quantity and color of the PCB as per your requirements. Quality and lead time is reliable, all in-house production, ensuring stability and strict quality control in every process, and lightning fast PCB production, in just 24 hours. And then you can save to the cart for the checkout process. Also, don't miss JLC PCB's 6-layer PCB special. Get $30 off with a coupon, and enjoy top quality 6-layer PCBs, plus 2 UENIG finish, and no engineering fees for wire-in pads. Now back to the project. Take this heatsink, that is already assembled with MOSFETs. Use double-sided foam tape, that needs to be used for maintaining gap between heatsink and this PCB. Now align the PCB with MOSFETs. Solder all the pins of MOSFETs with PCB. Take TL494 IC, and insert it into the IC base. Use alligator clip wires, and connect into this terminal connector. Also, you need a 12-0-12 volt transformer. And connect the wires into this 3-pin connector. Tighten the screws with screwdriver. Use this type of bulb holder, and connect with the output of transformer. You can use this 12-volt battery to power up this circuit. Before connecting, use a multimeter and set it on continuity mode, and make sure there is no beep while probes on heatsink and MOSFETs. Now you can connect the circuit with battery. You can check output voltage, that is near about 220 volts. I used this 100-watt incandescent bulb for testing. As you can see, it worked perfectly. Now let's test with LED bulb. As you can see, it also works perfectly without any flickering. This mini inverter can be enclosed into a plastic box, and can be used for small applications. For more useful videos, subscribe the channel. Also check out these recommended videos. Thanks for watching.